Let's take a look at how to mark a business as temporarily closed on your Google Business profile. So this is really beneficial if, you're temporarily closing down for a period of time and you don't want people to be confused as to what's going on. What you can do is come in here and mark the business as temporarily closed, and then they'll see a message on your listing saying that, hey, we're temporarily closed. To do that, first thing is you're going to need to access your Google Business profile. So type the business name in at the top here in Google. You should see it pop up here. If not, you might need to change your email in the top right corner. So you'll have to be editing with the email that you're logged in with, right? From there, when you do see this, if you just click Edit Profile, then you'll also see Hours. If you click Hours, there's this first section. Yours might look slightly different, but where it says Hours right here under Business Hours, just click the pen tool, and then you'll see this option pop up, Temporarily Closed. You can select that option and click Save. That will mark the business as temporarily closed, and then you can come back later and mark it as open again, and then save it. And so then people will know for a period of time, hey, we're not open. If you try to come in, you're not going to find anyone here. I think COVID is a great example of where this would work really well. Everything's getting shut down. Like, hey, we can't open up for whatever reason. We're temporarily closed, but we will be back open sometime in the future. We don't know exactly when. That's when this temporarily closed option can be really beneficial. So pretty straightforward to enable, but I hope you did find this helpful. If there's anything you did have questions about in terms of, marking a business as temporarily closed, then don't hesitate to reach out. Just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and we'll be sure to get back to them there.
Look, if you're the type of person that just doesn't even want to deal with SEO anymore, then you can always reach out to me. My company is Missoula SEO Geek. I'll leave a link to my website down below. And we do provide SEO for different businesses in different industries, and you can come learn about what we do, what makes us unique. You can even read some of the testimonials from some businesses that we've taken from 0 to over $1 million in revenue, like this one here. And really just see that, this is the type of thing that's going to explode your business growth. So feel free to reach out. You can always give us a call or contact us through our website, and we'll look forward to working with you.